Beautiful. Hey kids, it's summertime and Big Papa's here and I'm gonna make a really fun salad. I know, don't hate me because I'm making salad, but we're gonna start with some butter lettuce and some arugula. We're gonna make a dressing with extra virgin olive oil, pear balsamic. If you can't find pear, just use a champagne vinegar or a sherry vinegar, and then desert gold in the salad dressing. You're gonna love this when you try it. So let's make the salad dressing to start. Again, very precise, Papa's precise. Got a half a cup, about a quarter of a cup. Okay, now we got the pear vinegar and the olive oil, and we're gonna put some desert gold in there. Now you might say, why are you putting a rub or seasoning in oil? It's got sesame, it's got lemon, it's got garlic, it's got salt, it's got pepper. The desert gold inside the oil, if we let it sit, it's gonna steep and it's gonna open up. It's gonna what we call bloom. All the seasonings are gonna open up. Maybe just a dash more of the vinegar, dash more of the desert gold. So let's put that over there. Now, one of the key things about this salad is I'm doing prosciutto-wrapped cantaloupe. Let me do just a couple for you. And then there's gonna be a real neat trick coming up here where we're gonna go outside and cook. You know, the prosciutto and the melon are just made together, and usually they put some balsamic drizzle on it, but we're not gonna do that. So we're just gonna set these aside. Okay, here goes the fun one. We're gonna take these big shrimp, we're gonna put them on this skewer, season them with some desert gold, wrap it in the prosciutto. We'll do some of those. Then we're gonna go out to the griddle. We're gonna griddle these. Put some oil down, get them really hot, cook them up nicely. So this may seem really kind of humorous, but when you see it all comes together and you see what I'm thinking at the end, I think you'll be fans. Okay, we're gonna take the lettuce, the butter lettuce, and we're gonna sprinkle some very thin red onions. We're gonna take some Reggiano Parmesan, nice thin little slugs of it. So it's really simple. A lot of umami here. We got the peppery arugula, we got the smooth butter lettuce, we got the sweet red onions, and we got the Reggiano Parmesan. Then, we're gonna kind of do these kind of in a sunburst. So it's starting to look like the salad I talked about, right? So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, get everything nice and cold. We're gonna griddle up the prosciutto wrapped shrimp, and then we're gonna place them there in between the melon. Have our salad dressing standing by. Delish. Okay, we're out here. Let's get some oil. Listen to that sizzle. These won't take long. Okay. Get a little color on them. We're almost done. Okay, I think we're really good. Let's pull them off and let's feed little Louie. See you at the assembly line. Okay, pull this out just for a second because little Louie gave me a great idea and I gotta do it. Little Louie said, hey, put some mozzarella in there too. So I got these nice little mozzarella balls. Edit the fillet. Let's get the dressing. shrimp, melon, shrimp, melon. The tail's out, yeah. Tighten it up here. A little drizzle on top of everything. I think I like it better without that. You know why? Because I got to eat one. Beautiful. Arugula, butter lettuce, Reggiano Parmesan, mozzarella, thinly sliced red onion, prosciutto wrapped shrimp and cantaloupe with a desert gold salad dressing. I think I'm happy.